Hi there, this is Sherri Stone from BioSpine Institute. Today we are going to learn on how to perform the deadlift. The deadlift is an exercise that we do all day, anytime that we want to pick up something from the floor. To do this properly, start with your feet shoulder width apart. You are going to hinge from your hips. Remember, your hips are here. Shoulders square, back arched. Lean forward like you are going to pick up something, keeping your back and shoulders square. The hips do the movement, your back does not. If this is too difficult or it's painful, don't go down quite as far. You can just do small motions. If it still hurts, then just practice hinging at the hips. Ultimately, you should be able to go all the way down to the floor and pick up something. This is something that you should be able to do effortlessly with weight in your hands.